lotto, smoking cookie and gelato. We skirt up like Grand Theft Auto. I got syrup in my bottle, and my girl look like a model. I just lead, I never follow. I'm a boss, I'm the head honcho. New revolver filled with hollows, just in case they wanna try.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my mother loving channel. So today I'm going to be attempting to do my own acrylic nails, so just stay tuned because honey, it was a struggle to say the least. So in this picture you'll see my inspiration, and then this is a little preview to what I got. So first we're gonna, be starting off with no nails at all. Look, I know. My nails ain't looking good. Look, Corona then really just stopped my me being me. So let's not even talk about the fact that my nails look that ugly. In those last shots, you were able to see all the products that we're going to be using. And in this clip, you can see me just taking the shine off of my nails and applying the nail tips. Gee, it really look like I know what I'm doing, right? I have no idea. I watched 2 videos on YouTube and I think I'm a whole nail tech now. We'll see. You see the hand? We'll see. In this section, you'll see me trying to cut out a coffin shape. Honey, I was struggling so much. Like, I know there's a tool for this that makes it a little bit better, but I didn't have that. And then now what I'm doing is just buffing it to make it really into that shape. I'm accidentally throwing up gang signs and everything. Look, don't mind me. I only belong to the Lord. But yeah, so in this little section, I'm up here trying to, give me a nice little shape, make sure everything's good before adding the acrylic. So, matching everything up. I look pretty okay so far. So right here I'm adding the nail primer. I honestly should have done this before all that buffing, but I'm adding it now, and according to those 2 videos I watched, this is a very important step. So now I'm going to get into actually applying the acrylic. What I do is I dip my brush into the liquid, then I kind of wipe off any excess liquid, then it goes into the powder where it creates a bead. I put the bead on the nail, let it get like a little stiff, and then I actually form and shape it into the nail, while also making sure that I don't get any of this acrylic on my cuticles, so it can still look nice and clean. You'll pretty much see in these clips what I'm talking about, but yeah, just want to describe it. So now I'm going to be buffing the nails just to pretty much smooth them out, get them, all nice and smooth, and then also reinforcing that coffin shape. Once you put on the acrylic, of course it moves around, so what pretty much happens is it could mess up the shape we had that we worked on. So by filing it, it kind of gets it back to its original shape that we just had it at. So yep, that's just what I'm doing now. And pretty much this is, how it looks after I done all that filing and everything. Not too bad. Still a struggle, but not too bad. And now I'm buffing it out just to get any type of lines out of the nails and everything, so they're extra smooth. But again, like I said, not too bad. I might be a nail tech, who knows? Right here, I'm just adding some nude polish. Pretty much you're gonna see what I do in the next couple of clips, but yeah, this is going to be the most beginner friendly way for me to do that glitter ombre is by first putting down a nude nail polish. So that's what I'm doing now. So now on to how I got these glitter tips. I'm gonna take some cosmetic wedges and some glitter nail polish, and pretty much I got this idea from Raven Elise, and what I'm gonna do is put a little bit of the glitter polish onto that flat side of the makeup wedge and kind of almost stamp on the ombre glitter tips. That's the only way I'm gonna know how to do this, because but how they did it in the videos was they used other materials that I didn't have, but this was the most beginner friendly way. And then after I finished that, I put on a top coat. So now I am just cleaning up like the edges of my nails for any of like the nail polish that got onto them, and putting on some cream for my hands because they was a little ashy, I ain't gonna lie. So this was my inspiration, and then this is what I actually got. Not exactly the same, but it's in the family, damn it, and close enough, okay? Thank you guys for tuning into this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.
I hop out, I bring money when I pop out. I talk business, what you talk about, number one.